Hello student, class 12 physics. Today our topic electrical resistance. इलेक्ट्रिकल रेजिस्टेंस हमने प्रीवियस क्लासेस में ओम्स लॉ के बारे में हमने स्टडी किए थे. देन इन दिस सीरीज टुडे इज आवर टॉपिक इज इलेक्ट्रिकल resistance. What is electrical resistance? Then the definitions. The electrical resistance of a conductor is defined as the ratio of potential difference applied across sections. The ends of the conductor to the current flowing through it. Repeating again. The electrical resistance of the conductor is defined as the ratio of potential difference and the current flowing through it. किसी कंडक्टर्स के एंड्स पे यदि हम पोटेंशियल प्रोवाइड करते हैं तो इससे क्या होता है, करंट जनरेट होता है, करंट फ्लो होता है. देन जो इलेक्ट्रिकल रेजिस्टेंस है वो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस एंड करंट्स के रेशियो के इक्वल होता है. देन if the potential difference V is applied to the cross the ends of the conductor and I is be the current flowing through it. V is a potential difference is applied to the cross sections of the ends of the conductor and I be the current flowing through it. I is a current. Then the electrical resistance of the conductor is denoted by R. Then R that is equal to potential difference V upon I according to definitions. Inverse electrical potential electrical resistance that is equal to potential difference upon electric current. Now unit of resistance. Then R that is equal to unit of potential difference is a volt and unit of electric current is a ampere, or we can write volt per ampere, or this is represented as a ohm. This is denoted by ohm, or we can also say the unit of resistance is a ohm and ohm is denoted by capital omega. It is denoted by capital omega. Now dimensions formula of resistance. Dimensional formula of resistance. Then R that is equal to dimensional formula of potential difference and dimensional formula of I. Then potential difference. Now you know that resistance that is equal to V upon I, but V is a work per energy, W upon Q, and I are W upon Q0 I. But charge is denoted current multiply time, and I is I. Then we can write W is a work and I square is equal to T. I is a current. Then dimensional formula of work is a ml2 T minus 2. ml2 T minus 2 upon I is a current, then ampere, I square then ampere square, and T is a time, then T. Or finally we can write M L 2 T minus 3 and A minus 2 is our dimensional formula. Dimensional formula of resistance is a R that is equal to M L2 T minus 3 and A minus 2. It is our finally dimensional formula of resistance. Depends of electrical resistance. Dependence of electrical resistance. For metallic conductor, we know that R that is equal to M upon N E square tau and L by A. हमने ओम्स लॉ से इस फार्मूलेस का हमने डेरिवेशंस हमने पढ़े हैं. देन वेयर M and E are constant of an electron. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के लिए M and E जो है कांस्टेंट होता है. The resistance R of the conductor depends on its length, cross sectional area, electron density N, and relaxation time tau. M and E is a constant, then resistance is dependent on length of conductor, area of the cross sections, and the density of the electrons and the relaxation time. Now our next topic is electrical conductance. Electrical conductance. The reciprocal of electrical resistance is called electrical conductance of the conductor. Now, the reciprocal of electrical resistance is called electrical conductance of the conductor. It is denoted by capital G. Reciprocal of electrical resistance, that means G that is equal to 1 upon R. R is a electrical resistance. Then electrical conductance G that is equal to 1 upon R. In watts, electrical conductance that is equal to 1 upon electrical resistance. Then we know that electrical resistance R that is equal to V upon I, then G that is equal to I upon V, and the dimensional unit of electrical conductance, unit of G, that is equal to 1 upon ohm, or ohm inverse, and dimensional formula of G, that is equal to M inverse L minus 2 M minus 1 L minus 2 T3 A2 is a dimensional formula of electrical conductance. Now specific resistance or resistivity. You know that electrical resistance of conductor depends on following factors. First first factor is length of conductor. Length of conductor. The electrical resistance of conductor is proportional to the length of conductor. Then R is directly proportional to the length of conductor. Equation number first. And second, area of cross sections of conductor. Area of cross section of conductor. The electrical resistance R of the conductor inversely proportional to the area of cross sections of the conductor. That means R is inversely proportional to the area of the cross sections of conductor. Then this is equation number 2. Combining the above equation 1 and 2, then we may be right from equation number 1 and 2, R is proportional to the L upon A. R, we can write R that is equal to rho L upon A, where rho RHO, where rho is a proportionally constant, is called specific resistance or resistivity. It is a proportionally constant, proportionally constant is called specific resistance or resistivity. Rho is a resistivity. Then may be right rho that is equal to R into A upon. देखिए above equations R that is equal to rho L upon A, then rho that is equal to A is transfer, then A multiply R upon L. This formula, the resistivity or specific resistance of a material may be defined as the resistance of a unit cube of the material. The unit of resistivity, then rho that is equal to resistance, unit of resistance is ohm, and area of resistance is a meter square, and length is a meter. Then meter to meter cancel out, then ohm meter is our unit of resistivity. And dimensional formula, from the formula rho that is equal to RA upon L is our formula. Then dimensional formula of R is a ML2 T minus 3 and A minus 2, and dimensional formula of area is a L square, and dimensional formula of length is a L. Then L to L cancel, then finally may be right ML3 T minus 3 and A minus 2 is our dimensional formula of resistivity. It is a dimensional formula of resistivity.